Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all
Good
of you.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We will wait 1 or 2 minutes, then we start our today's class. Good morning. Children, those who are joining late, I request them please join on time. This is maths class. Each and every minute is important for us. Please join on time next time. Please do value of your time, because in maths class, it's single minute is also important. Okay, I'll start my class. Children, you all know that we were learning about the volume in this chapter first, right? What is volume? How to find the volume? We have learned how to find the volume of cube and cuboid. I request everyone, please write the formula in the chat box of finding the volume of cube. Finding the how to find the volume of cube. We have learned one formula. Please write it in the chat box. Everyone, it's my request to everyone. Arna Agarwal, it's wrong. Side into side is only area. Rishank, wrong. Side into side gives you only area. Here is the three-dimensional. So there should be three. Yes, good. Vedansh.
Ma'am, how is the length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height?
Yes, it can be length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. But as I told you, cube is having all the dimensional same. So we can use it as length into length into length, or side into side into side. Or you can use length into breadth into height. All are same. Am I clear? Now I request everyone, because I can see here are 40 students, but the messages, the chat box is only given by the answer given in the chat box by only few students. I request everyone to give me answer.
Oh, ma'am, I was not having the multiplication sign. No, so I
You can use X sign.
Ma'am, where is it? My
X, X is there. Okay. Children, if I write like this L B H, what does this mean?
Anshu, mute yourself, please.
length,
Length into
Because
length.
there is no sign, if we assume that there is a multiplication sign in between them. If the formula is LBH, means it is length into breadth into height only. Yes. If the formula is S, or like we assume it that we put the S in between, side into side into side. Yes.
Ma'am,
If
where?
it is
Side and side.
if it is LWH, then also it is length, breadth, and height. Width and breadth is the same thing. Length into breadth into height. Am I clear to you all? Write the formula of finding the volume of cuboid. Write
Now we
the
have to write the
formula.
formula in notebook.
Yes, in chat box first. Please write the formula in the chat box for finding the volume of cuboid. Can you give me one example how you will find that they are telling you only, they have not given you any diagram. They have not given you that this is cube, this is cuboid. They only have given you a question, and to solve it, find the volume of a side. For example, the question is find the volume of
Ma'am, your camera is off at my side. I cannot see you.
just a minute. I'll switch off and switch on my. Okay. Now, Dhruvi, please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Grushika, please Yeah, please mute your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
It's
you.
visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, if
Audible.
you speak like this one by one, your time will go. Yashvi, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, we want to write
Yashvi,
this and
no.
Yash Malhotra is not on his place. Ma'am, you please continue.
Find the volume of a figure which is having side 6 centimeter. Then, what do you think? Which figure is this? Only one side is given. What do you think? Which figure is this?
Cube.
Very good, Dhruvi, because only one side is given, and we all know that
Ma'am,
cube is.
And ma'am, because cuboid all same.
Those who are saying cuboid, they are wrong because only one. Ma'am, someone mic is on.
Ma'am, can
Uh,
I say why?
it was just Ruparelia because he is, I think,
Uh-huh.
facing network issues. Is coming and going.
Okay. Yes, Dhruvi, can you please explain us why?
Ma'am, because a cube has all the same sides.
Hmm.
So if one side is 6 centimeters, so all the sides will be 6 centimeters.
Yes, this is the shape of a cube. Is cube we make from the square, and square also has all sides same. So if one side is given 6 centimeter, so breadth is also 6 centimeter and the height is also 6 centimeter. If now we know that all the three sides are there with us, now we can find the volume of this cube by putting formula first. In every sum, you first put the formula and then solve. Side multiply by side multiply by side. So 6 centimeter multiply by 6 centimeter multiply by 6 centimeter. Multiply it and find the volume of this figure and tell me. Multiply 6 into 6 into 6 and tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
216.
Very good. 216 only I will write. Oh, my dear good children, you only writing 216. If you only write 216, your answer will be wrong. Prithvi, your answer is wrong.
Cubic centimeter.
Cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Is my board visible till last?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 216 cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Am I clear with you all?
Yes,
Yes, we have learned that how to find the volume of a cube by the given side. Now, we have already learned how to find the volume of the cuboid also in our last class, that all the three dimensionals are given us and we have to multiply them, right? Now, how to find the volume by see, please mute your mic, everyone. Now, I will draw one shape. You please tell me which shape is this.
ma'am.
This is
Cuboid.
cuboid. I have one box which is in cuboid shape. Any box, ice cream box, or can I also take? We have done one story also on that day. The child was
Pastry.
trying, yeah, any pastry box, but it is in cuboid shape, not in cube shape. It is in cuboid shape. I want to find the volume of this cuboid shape. I don't want to measure it with the scale. I have some small cubes. 1 centimeter, the volume of this small cube. Please mute yourself.
Just Ruparelia.
I want to measure the volume of this big cuboid with the help of the small cubes. So if I have one small cube whose volume is 1 centimeter cube, because the side is also 1, length is 1, breadth is 1, and the height is also 1. So the volume of this cube is 1 centimeter cube. With the help of these small cubes, if I want to find the volume of this big cuboid, so how I will fit, I will take the small cuboids, small cubes, and I will fit. For example, one is coming, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and these 7 small cubes have come here. So can you tell me what will be the length of this?
7 cubic centimeter.
7, not
7.
cubic, not cubic. Cubic only you will use once you will find the
7
volume. It is only 7 centimeter. Now,
7 centimeters.
same cubes I will take and I will arrange that cubes in the breadth. Only 2 cubes are coming. So what will be the
2
breadth?
centimeter.
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter.
Same
2 centimeter.
cubes I take and I arrange them in the height. It is 4.
4 centimeter.
4
4
centimeter.
centimeter.
See children, I have not taken scale. I have just taken the cubes of the same volume and I put them. Now, I have all the 3 dimensionals. 7 centimeter is the length. Yes?
Ma'am, may I say the answer?
Wait. 7 centimeter is the length, 2 centimeter is the breadth, and 4 centimeter is the height. Now, will you put this in the formula and find the volume of this? Now, how many? Yeah. 7 to the
56
14, 14 4s are what will come? You know that table.
Cubic centimeter.
56 cubic centimeter.
Ma'am, why cubic centimeter? It is cuboid. So
My dear, we are multiplying 3 units together. Length into breadth into height. This is also in centimeter. This is centimeter. This is centimeter. When you multiplying the values, the centimeters also will be 3. ये 3, एक length का, एक breadth का, एक height का. This is also will be there.
yes, ma'am.
So how many centimeters is this?
56.
56.
No. This
Cubic
why you are saying no? Why these are cubic?
Yes, ma'am.
We are measuring with the cubes also.
Yes,
And we
ma'am.
are taking the centimeters also 3 times.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why centimeter cube or cubic centimeter, and we are measuring. As you have learned square in the area, क्योंकि आप
Yes.
square से measure करते थे area. यहाँ cube से कर रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but you have not done with the scale, so it will not be perfect, no?
No, I gave you as assume it.
Yes, ma'am.
Assume that I am taking these squares. I will show you one video that how they are arranging, and then you will understand it. Wait a minute, I'll present one video. Is this Madhuri ma'am visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is coming. Yes, ma'am. Today I can.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Asked, what is the volume of this rectangular prism? Well, a rectangular prism is this big shape, and even though it's not filled with cubes, we need to figure out how many cubes would it take to fill up this entire shape.
By looking at this shape, can you please tell me what will be the volume of this rectangle?
24 cubic centimeter.
4 cubic centimeter.
Very good. I will mute myself now.
Ma'am, 36 it will be. 36.
We will see now.
36, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it will be 18.
On the
Ma'am, it will
base,
be 18.
listen now, listen carefully.
18.
On the base, how many are there? On this
Ma'am,
24.
9,
the
ma'am.
base,
9,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9.
children, if you all speak like this, it will be very difficult for me to explain you all. Nishika, please stop now and listen here. Some is saying 9, some is saying 24, some is saying 36. But how it is coming, let's listen to it now. On the base, there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many layers do we have to make more? 1 is already there. 2, 3, 4. So if we multiply 6 into 4, what will be the answer?
24.
Yes. See, एक लेयर पे 6 आ गए, आपको और ऐसी 6 layers बनानी है, 4 layers बनानी है, तो 6 into 4 is. Now everyone is quiet.
24.
Ma'am.
24.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ishana.
Ma'am, I have not calculated like you have, but I have calculated it by like in the
Anyway.
length, the width, and then the height. So that
Yes.
comes to 24.
See, in the length it is how many? In the height it is.
In height, it's 4.
It's 4, and in the breadth it is.
4.
How many are there?
2.
Yes.
2. 2.
Now see, and then in the height. Yes.
Length
Ma'am,
is
I have done with like your height is also given, length is also given, breadth is also given. So I have done with the formula only.
Very
And
good.
it
Very good. You can apply any of the method, right? Now see to it.
Well, if we move this tall stack of cubes, it can help. Now we can see that there are 6 unit cubes in this bottom layer of the shape. Now, if we think about adding a second layer, we know it would just be another 6 unit cubes. A third layer would be another 6 unit cubes, and a fourth layer would be another 6 unit cubes. And so now we can tell it would take 24 unit cubes to fill up this rectangular prism. Let's look at one of.
Children, why they have used only word unit cubes? Why they have not used centimeter, meter?
Ma'am, can I say through?
Yes, Nishika will only.
Because there are no.
Dhruvi, wait. Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am,
because there is no unit given centimeter, meter, or
Yes. So
Yes,
we will use unit cubes.
Of these together. Let's figure out what is the volume of this rectangular prism.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Find out and write in the chat box. No one will unmute their mics and speak. Find out and write in the chat box. I will check the chat box.
Ma'am, driver has not written unit, he has written centimeter.
Krushika is wrong.
Ma'am,
Krushika, please check your answer. Yes, Krushika.
now go to washroom.
Yes, please. Jaival, only 30 is not the answer.
No, ma'am, I'm writing, but by mistake I press enter, that's why.
Okay, good.
And then I have written
So-
upside, that's why.
I am going to play my video again.
Well, when we move the tall stack, how many cubes are on the bottom layer of this shape? You can see there are 10 unit cubes on the bottom layer. So if we were to add a second layer of cubes, how many cubes would be in the second layer? There would be another 10 unit cubes. And a third layer would be another 10 unit cubes. So how many cubes are in this entire rectangular prism? There would be a total of 30 unit cubes. That's its volume. Here's another problem to practice with. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Well, when
Find the volume and write in the chat box. Tell me length, breadth, and height also. By looking at this only, this is half filled only. By looking at this only, please find out what will be the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height.
36 cubic unit. 36 cubic unit.
Please tell me, I don't want the complete answer. I want on the basis of length, breadth, and height. By looking at this, will you able to find out what is the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height? I will not accept the final answer. I will only accept first you will write what is the length, what is the breadth, and what is the height. And then find the volume. Those who are directly giving me the volume answer, I will not accept, because right now I'm asking what is the length, what is the breadth, what is the height. And then you find, very good Krishita, Aryan, Vedant, they are giving me in detail.
Ma'am, can you check my?
Adna has given me, Krishita, Jash, Ruparelia, Arush, Devanshi. Please check the spellings also of length, breadth, and height. Aheli. Yes. Dhruvi, your name was not there. Please check. I'll write again, no problem. Yes, Dhruvi is there. Aheli is there. Tejasvi. Tejasvi, the finding the length, breadth, and height, find the volume also. And if you are writing height is 4, height 4 is wrong. आपको नीचे वाला क्यूब नहीं दिख रहा तेजस्वी? इस 1, 2, 3, 4 तो हमें दिख रहे हैं, पर 4 से नीचे बेस क्यूब भी तो है. There are total 5 in height. And there are 1, 2, 3 in length and 2 in breadth and 5 in height. Don't forget जो इसके नीचे आ गया वो height में नहीं जाएगा. That will come in height. Am I clear? I'll show you now.
When we move the tall stack, how many cubes are in the bottom layer? You can see there are 6 cubes in the bottom layer. Now go ahead and figure this out on your own. What is the volume of this whole rectangular prism? Well, a second layer would be another 6 cubes, a third layer is another 6, a fourth is another 6, and a fifth layer is another 6. If you add this all up, you find the total volume of this shape is 30 unit cubes. Now it's time for you to practice on your own. What is the volume of this rectangular prism? Well, you can see the bottom layer has 4 unit cubes. So the second layer would have 4 unit cubes, and a third layer would have 4 unit cubes. When you put that all together, you can see this whole shape would have a volume of 12 unit cubes. Now here's your last problem for this video. What is the volume of this rectangular prism?
Tejasvi, write what is the height of this rectangular prism? Tejasvi,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me what is the height of this rectangular prism? How many cubes?
3.
3. Good. Next child is Mantra is there. Mayank is there. Om
Yes,
Patel.
ma'am, both are there.
Yeah, Om Patel. Om Patel. Om Patel.
Left the meeting.
Yes. Mantra. Mantra, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't understand what Vivan Patel is doing.
Vivan Patel,
Because-
please pay attention in the class.
Whole set, he has not written any one answer, at least in the chat
Yes,
box.
ma'am.
Not a single answer.
Yes, Mantra, I'm asking what is the length of this rectangular prism?
Ma'am, I am home.
Yeah, Om. Now give me, what is the length? How many unit cubes? Or in centimeter, you tell me what is the length in the centimeter? Oh, what is one? Only length I am asking. I'm asking only length. What is the length of this rectangular prism?
5.
Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what is the breadth?
Five.
Mantra? Yes, good. Mantra, please give me now answer. 3. So Mantra, now tell me 5 is the length, 3 is the breadth, and 3 is the height. What will be the volume of this?
45.
5 into 3, 15. 15 into 3, 45. Is he correct, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Mantra, only
ma'am.
40.
Yes,
Mantra, you will only write 45.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it's wrong. It's wrong.
Wrong, ma'am. It's
Check.
45 cubic units.
You
Let's
can
check.
see that the bottom
ma'am,
layer has
it's right.
15 unit cubes in it. That
It's
means
right.
the second layer would be another 15, and the third layer would be another 15 unit cubes. Altogether, that means this shape has a volume of 45 unit cubes. Today you learned how to find volume by counting unit cubes. Today we are learning how to measure the
So children, now you understood how to find the volume.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now children, as
Yes,
I
ma'am.
told you in my
Yes,
last
ma'am.
class also, that you will able to find the volume on the basis when side or the length, breadth, height is given in the decimal, then how you will find it. I am going to give you two sums. Please do it in the notebook. Question 1 is, it can become as find or it can become as word calculate. In that, both the things you are going to find out the answer. Calculate the volume of a cube whose side is 9.5 centimeter. Next question is, find the volume of a cuboid whose, I'm writing short form for L, length L is equals to 10 centimeter, breadth is equals to 4.5 centimeter, and height is equals to 8 centimeter. Now please find the answer and tell me.
Ma'am, in the question that you have written 95 centimeters.
It is 9.5
9 point-
centimeter.
So, ma'am, for
Okay.
finding the high volume, we'll have to remove the decimal, right?
Yes. So can you please, Aheli, explain me how we will multiply this?
Ma'am, we will
Ma'am, can I-
multiply 95 by 95 by 95. So 95
We will forget
we can
the first we will write, wait a minute. First we will write the formula, side multiply by side multiply by side, guys. And we forget about the decimal. First we only write the 95 multiply by 95 multiply by 95. Once you multiply this 95 multiply by 95 multiply by 95, then where you will put the decimal, Aheli? Can you please explain us?
the decimal, ma'am, after the answer after
Very good, Daksh
I
Patel.
leave 3 places and put the decimal.
3 places from the back or from the front?
Ma'am, from the
back you will from
Yeah,
the back you will count. Yes.
Yeah.
Why 3 places, my dear?
Ma'am, because we are multiplying 95
Hmm.
3 times and actually it's 9.5. So after
Because
the decimal
after
will count 1 and 3 times we'll take the same thing.
because after decimal 1 digit is here, right? After decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit. When you count the number of digits after decimal, so it will be total 1, 2, 3 digits. So once you multiply them, you after getting the answer, आपका जो normal answer आया, after getting the answer, wait a minute, I will also do 95 multiply by 95 multiply by 95. It 857. I'm writing it here. 857 375 is coming, right? So I will count 3 values from the back 1, 2, 3 and put the decimal. 857.375 cubic centimeter, because it's in centimeter. Cubic centimeter is the answer. Have you all understood? Have you all understood how to multiply
Yes.
the decimal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please do this, because here also now in this question only one place is there after the decimal. In this no decimal is there, in this height also no decimal. Only in the breadth there is a decimal. So we assume breadth as 45. 10 multiplied by 45 multiplied by 8, whatever the answer will come. From the back, we will only count 1 digit and put the decimal, because here also after the decimal only 1 digit is there.
Ma'am, can I see the answer of the second sum?
Yes, please tell.
Answer will come
360.0.
It is,
360.0.
let me
Ma'am,
do.
360 cubic unit. 360 cubic unit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you can
Ma'am, what is 360 cubic?
Wait a
1
minute.
minute, Aryan.
Wait a minute.
Yes, Daksh.
Yes, Daksh, what are you telling me?
ma'am, you can send this video on Classroom.
No. Please pay attention here.
Ma'am, this you have to write in notebook. na?
Nishika, please check the spelling what you are writing. You are writing cuboid units.
Ma'am,
Yes.
they have to write it in the notebook, no?
Yes.
And Vivan Patel, show your notebook to me.
Please write it in the notebook and find the answer.
He's simply sitting in the class and watching something else on instead of paying attention and writing. And Advika, stop talking to somebody on your side, please.
Please write these 2 questions in your notebook and solve them. I am going to send you the worksheet based on this only on the basis of decimal. So please do it right now so that you can understand it.
Ma'am, what is this decimal bunch on the left of it? Ma'am, like I
Wait a minute. Yes, Vrishang. Ishana, wait.
Ma'am, where should we put the decimal point? First one.
See, after decimal, 1 digit is there. 3 times you are doing. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 1 this, and 1 this. 3 digits.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the answer is coming, you count the 3 place values from the back, 1, 2, 3, and put the decimal.
Ma'am, see, I have done the.
Wait a minute, Devanshi.
Ma'am, I'm not able to be understand that how to means in second one. 10 multiplied by 4 is equals to 40. Then we have to multiply with 5 also.
No, my dear, 10 multiplied by 45 you do.
Okay.
Because right now you don't think about the decimal. Once the final answer will come, then you put the decimal. Take it as 10, take it as 45, take it as 8.
Ma'am, can I see that?
Yes, please. Wait a minute, I'll pin which. Yes, Devanshi, show me.
Ma'am, see.
Where you have done the multiplication, Devanshi?
Ma'am, here.
Your multiplication, you have just written the values and done.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't do direct, you do the multiplication at the side column.
Okay, ma'am.
And once the answer is coming in this 3900 cubic units, so once you put the decimal, what it is coming after multiplying, children? 360?
360.
And 360.
360.
3600 आया होगा, फिर आपने one decimal you will put and the answer will be 360. Riva, you are not doing.
60.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, how it came decimal? Not the first one.
Vrishank, decimal has come by this first. After the decimal, how many units are there? Only one. Because यहाँ पे तो decimal नहीं है, यहाँ भी नहीं है, only इसमें है, right?
Ma'am, I cannot see.
Now see.
4.5.
It is 4.5. Yes, this is 4.5 breadth. Height is 8 centimeter. Ishana,
Yes, ma'am.
I will again, children, those who have done this, I am erasing this to explain Ishana again. Ishana, one side of a cube is given that is 9.5 centimeter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Just listen.
Okay.
Side of a cube is given 9.5 centimeter. But we know the formula that 3 times when we multiply the side, we get the volume. Okay. So the formula is side multiplied by side multiplied by side. But now the question comes that it is in decimal. How we multiply? We forget about the decimal first. We only take these two numbers together. 95 multiplied by, you have done the decimal multiplication also if you remember. 95 multiplied by 95 multiplied by 95. Find the answer. What is the answer first? After getting whatever the answer is coming, from the back, you count 3 values, 3 place values and put the decimal. Why 3 place values? Because here also after the decimal 1 place is there. After the decimal 1 is here. After the decimal 1 place is here. So 3 place values we are counting in the answer also. Agar the answer, for example, I will go to the cuboid next. First we will do with the cube only. So now you find out 95 multiplied by 95, whatever the answer is coming, then multiplied with the 95, what is coming, please write. Tell me.
Maybe I have to write this sum at 9.5.
Yes, 2 sums which I told you to write, please write in your notebooks. Yes,
That I have done.
Again the same sum is there. Dhruvi. 95 multiplied by 95 is 9025. When you again multiply 9025 with 95, the answer is 857,375. But now the question arises where to put the decimal. Because in final answer we have to, Nishika, let me explain first. Now the question comes where to put the decimal. So we have after the decimal 1 place value here, 1 here, 1 here, total 3 place values. So from the back we count 3 places, 1, 2, 3 and we put the decimal and we put the cubic centimeter is the answer. So 857.375 cubic centimeter is the answer. पर यहाँ पर तो तीनों में decimal था, that's why we counted the 3 places from the back. कई बार एक ही में ही आएगा, तो you only count the 1 place from the back. Sometimes it comes in the 2 also, height and breadth में आ गया, length में नहीं आया. What you will do? So you count the 2 places from the back and put the decimal. Am I clear, you all? I am going to send the worksheet based on the decimal values and you have to find the volume. So please be attentive and please learn how to do it. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, children, for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.